Have you ever wondered why diversity in your garden is important? Well, sit back, relax, and allow me to take you on a journey through the colorful, vibrant world that is a diverse permaculture garden. Imagine stepping into a garden, a riot of colors greeting your eyes, from the deep blues of the delphiniums to the fiery reds of the poppies, the gentle whites of the daisies to the sunny yellows of the marigolds. Not only is this a feast for the eyes, but these varied hues also play a significant role in the health and prosperity of your garden. Diverse colors attract a wide assortment of beneficial insects, birds, and even mammals. This variety of visitors to your garden in turn helps to boost the biodiversity. Greater biodiversity in your garden means a healthier and more balanced ecosystem. It's a cycle of life, where each species plays its part, supporting and being supported by others. Now, you may be wondering, oh, what about those pesky pests? Wouldn't they be attracted to my garden too? Well, that's where the magic of diversity truly shines. You see, a diverse garden is a confusing place for pests. They thrive in monocultures, where one type of plant provides an endless feast. However, in a diverse garden, pests often struggle to find their preferred plant, reducing their numbers and the damage they cause. So, which flowers should you plant in your permaculture garden? The answer is as varied as the flowers themselves. A good rule of thumb is to opt for native species, as these are best suited to your local climate and soil conditions. However, don't shy away from experimenting with different types. Some flowers, like marigolds, are known for their pest deterrent properties, while others, like lavender, attract beneficial insects. Planting these flowers isn't rocket science, but it does require some thought. Consider factors like sunlight, soil type, and water requirements when choosing where to plant each flower. In summary, diversity in your permaculture garden is not just about creating a visually appealing space. It's about fostering a healthy, vibrant ecosystem, keeping pests at bay, and promoting biodiversity. By choosing a range of different flowers, you're not just painting your garden with the colors of the rainbow, you're also inviting in a host of beneficial creatures and creating a balanced, harmonious environment. So, the next time you're planning your garden, remember to embrace diversity. Not just for the sheer beauty it brings, but for the invaluable role it plays in creating a thriving, resilient garden ecosystem. Remember, a garden is not just a collection of plants, but a living, breathing ecosystem. Treat it with care, nurture its diversity, and it will reward you with beauty and abundance beyond measure.